Hi, Dr. Layla here. We're going to talk about how you can boost your immune system so that your body is ready to fight coronavirus, so that you are not just coronavirus, but any virus. We're constantly around bacteria, germs, viruses. They're around us all the time. We just can't see them with the naked eye. So what we want to do is to make sure that we are ready, our body is ready, because if we are ripe for infection, no matter what it is, when it lands on us, we're gonna probably get that virus or probably get that bacteria infection. So what do we do to boost our immune system so that our body is protected, essentially? This is not necessarily a cure for all, but at least it helps you to boost your immune system so that your immune system is able to fight for you. So number one would be to wash your hands and keep your hands clean. So going back to the basics, really 20 seconds of washing your hands with warm water and soap, you can really reduce that chance of transferring that bacteria or that virus. So we do a really good job in clean between patients. All the areas that are being used by patients, we wear our masks so that we're not touching our face and our nose area, and we're also using the sanitizer regularly. So it's really important to just do the basic things to minimize contamination. So the other component would be to sleep well. So what we want to really focus on is about 7 to 8 hours on a daily basis. To sleep that much allows your body to just rejuvenate and rewind the clock. So when you're sleeping, all the other systems of the body are resting, they're rejuvenating. So our cardiovascular system, every other system of the body is just resting. Still functioning is your respiratory system. Yes, obviously, because we have to be breathing while we're sleeping. And then also our rapid eye movement. So that is the last few hours of your sleep cycle, is when you're going into a deep sleep. That's when all the organs are really getting that deep rest. So it's important for us to be able to have that deep sleep. And so it's important to sleep 7-8 hours, because the last few hours is when our body goes into that state of having rapid eye movement and deep sleep. And number 3 would be to eat well. Eating well, because a healthy immune system starts in the gut. So important to have a good amount of whole grains, just a colorful array of foods. So fresh berries and strawberries and different types of berries, as well as veggies and fruits. You also want to have good fats. We want to avoid the saturated fats. Good fats are really good. Lean protein, and avoiding sugar. Sugar is detrimental to the body, so you want to minimize sugar, and you find it by reading ingredients, because it's added to a lot of even healthier products. And the other thing is to make sure that you're hydrated, to drink a good amount of water. So drinking water hydrates you, but it also acts as a cleanser, so it helps to cleanse the body. So important to also introduce some vitamin C. So vitamin C you can get from a food source, but you could also supplement. Vitamin D is not a bad idea as well. So you can just step into the sun for a few minutes. You can get it that way, or you can actually supplement as well. And of course, sometimes we need those essential fats as well that you can get from like omegas, and you can get a plant-based omega as well that helps with brain cognition and just overall keeping your body healthy. So number 4 would be to exercise daily. So important, because our lymphatic system is the system that works for us to clean all the toxins from the body. So just all the junk in the body. And so the way that the lymphatic system can really be activated is when we're doing deep breathing and when we're exercising through movement. That's what activates the lymphatic system, and then the lymphatic system is doing a really good job of cleansing the body. So if it's difficult for you to have a lot of physical activity, you can also maybe just, lighter stretches, things that you can actually create movement in the body. So all the things that we just discussed is ways that you can minimize physical, emotional, and chemical stress. So these are all great things that you can do for yourself to build your immunity. And of course, we don't want to leave the last one out. I'm a chiropractor, and so we definitely recommend that in order to boost your immune system, getting a chiropractic adjustment helps to remove the nerve interference that are caused by misalignment of spinal bones in your spine. The nervous system controls every cell, every tissue, every organ in the body. And the way that it does is it communicates with every organ, every system through the spinal nerves between the spinal bones. And because we tend to use our body for physical work and activities, we tend to go out of alignment. So it's important to remove that nerve interference and allow the body to communicate better. And the nervous system controls the immune system. And so we want to make sure that we have a strong immune system so that it fights for us when we do come across those bacteria and those viruses that are wanting to attack our body. And so our body is ready for that. Thanks for watching. Be well, be kind, be strong. I'll see you on the next one.